Hello, my name is Bobby Kavanaugh and I am a graduate student at Indiana University, Purdue University, which is also known as IUPUI. I am studying in IUPUI's Master of Applied Data Science program, and this video is a demo to show a visualization that I created as a part of IUPUI's data visualization class Info H517. This visualization was created with D3, which stands for Data Driven Documents. And D3 is a library that helps to create web visualizations that are highly customizable. This particular visualization is based on an original work done by John Snow in 1855. You can see here his original work was similar. It showed the streets of London, and it showed deaths and the location of each death here that resulted from a cholera outbreak at that time. And this map was used to identify the source of water that was contaminated and was causing this outbreak. And it did that by showing the clustering of the deaths around that water source. So this map is based on that one. You can see it also has the streets of London and some of the landmarks here, like the workhouse and the brewery. It also shows the location of each water pump as red circles here. And then it also has a mark for each victim death and the location of each death. Unlike the original map, this visualization also shows demographic data. So you can see here in the legend that colors are used to show age groups, and that shapes are used to show genders. And this demographic data was not a part of the original analysis, but was simulated for this exercise based on an outbreak that occurred a little while after the 1854 outbreak. And so this is not original data, but simulated for this exercise. And you can see there's also a bar chart here that shows the number of deaths that occurred each day. So you can see from the 19th of August to the 29th of September here, it shows the first few days had 1 or 0 victims, and then those spiked up to a total of 143 here at the worst part of the outbreak. This part of the visualization is interactive, so you can see if you click a bar here, it filters the map just to show the deaths that had occurred up until that point. So you can see that there were 73 deaths by August 31st, which was day 13 of the outbreak. We can also zoom in or zoom out on these if we want to see a little bit more detail, which is helpful when there's more deaths. We also have pie charts here that show the distribution by age and gender. You can see the groups with the most deaths are at the youngest and oldest age groups. These two here are the two oldest age groups, and this one is the youngest age group. And then the gender distribution shows more of an even split between genders. There's also an about page linked to this that shows the considerations that went into the visualization and the design process. It also has references for sources that I relied on along the way to learn how to put this visualization together. So that is my cholera map.